Look at the view from here. This area used to mark the division between the stage and the audience. Today, there is no such division, and I don't even know where it could be. Instead of the chairs, we have grass all over the seating area. Those are the settings for Nozze in Villa. In such a special year, when safety is a top priority, we have performances in what used to be the seating area, while the orchestra and choir are on the stage. This is quite unusual for an opera house like me, but I'm not sad at all. In the past, the seating area was empty. People were either standing or they bought their own chairs. In any case, at the end of a performance, everybody danced. Today, the whole theatre is on stage, and so are you. Do you like my big lanterns? You are now standing on my lower lip. Right now, the audience area is my tongue. Let's move on now. We'll get off the stage, but we won't quit the performance. Now, go back. You can take a final look at the tower if you like. Turn to your left. Do you see that door in the corner? Over there? Let's go. It's night time, but we're all still here. The theatre lights never go out, and the same happens out there. I think my offices are a symbol of the continuous work of all those people who make society function, even when the lights are out. By now, I guess you've realised that there's no great difference between inside and outside for me. Now, please, go through the door on the left. Turn right and walk past the door with a large handle. Now, climb the stairs on the right. We're now moving up into 1797 on the second level of boxes. You may find the doors closed. Don't worry, I'm keeping them closed to protect you from the fire. When you get to the top, enter the door right in front of you, but be careful. In 1797, a great fire broke out when I was only 6 years old. In the same year, Gaetano Donizetti was born. This is Gaetano's theatre, made of love, blood, rage, life, death. He knew no compromise. He's unbending. He goes straight to the heart of the matter. He's a true romantic. He's a living flame. Isn't it all incredible? That year and the huge fire have marked my destiny. After the fire that destroyed me, I was fully rebuilt in stone. 1 century later, I decided to celebrate Gaetano's birth date and take his name. It's now 1897 and I feel complete. I am an adult. I am the Donizetti Theatre in Bergamo. When you reach the little balcony on the right, take a look down at the foyer. That's where we started our journey some 150 years into the future. You're looking at the future. How does it feel? Who are you? Mirandolina? Giulietta? Ophelia? Who are you? Who knows? We all move fast in the theatre. Here she comes again. Now, please, slow down. We're almost in the right wing. No need to rush anymore. Let's keep our voice down. It's 2021 and we're rehearsing L'Elisir d'Amore. 2021? L'Elysir d'Amore? Is this a spoiler? It's our hope, I'd rather say. And we all need a magic potion now. Although this is actually the setting for Marino Faliero.
Io vedo e sento, giorno e notte in ogni oggetto, d'obliarti in ogni tento, il tuo viso spunto in petto, qual cambiarsi, qual tu fai, può cambiarsi un altro amore, ma non può giammai il primiero uscir dal cuore. Uscir dal cuore. Uscir dal
Now, go back to the corridor and walk to the right. Take the stairs on the right. If you go up, you reach 1835. It's 1835 and Gaetano is a widely acclaimed artist. This is a year of great success for him, but it's also tragic. Gaetano's mother and father die, and also his second daughter. In spite of all this, he keeps composing at great pace. When you reach the top of the stairs, it's June. Gaetano is in Napoli, working non-stop on his new work Lucia de Lammermoor. The town is ravaged by cholera, which is all around him. And it's precisely cholera that kills part of his family. And right at this time, he gives life to Lucia. It's 6th of July, and Gaetano is writing the final notes of his new opera. He has written it all in just 6 weeks. 26th of September, Lucia de Lammermoor premieres, and it's a huge success. Everybody loves Gaetano and his music. But hard days are coming. In 1836, the cholera is spreading fast, and I am forced to cancel all performances. As you see, all doors are closed. But time flies. 1836, 1837, 1838, 1839, a door for each year. Life seems to be starting again, and I'm getting ready to be reborn. Stop in front of the door, but don't open it yet. We're very close to my reopening. Almost ready. You can turn the handle and open the door when I say go. Ready? Okay. Go.